Next, feeding system as well as water distribution system for animals, microcontroller, power supply, relay and water distribution motor, and feeding system motor to open and close the feeder. First we need to turn on the internet and configure the hotspot as shown in the previous video. Okay, then download the Blink application from the Play Store as shown in the previous video. Then open the Blink application. Okay, log in with the given credentials. Okay, once you log in the Blink application with the given credentials, then this type of page will be opened. Now click on the page. Okay, now we have the feed, stop and water. Three buttons are there. Okay, when we click the feeding system will get open. Okay, now if you want to close that, stop. Okay, feeding is completed. Now if you want to start the water for that animal, then we will click it, water. Then automatically this distribution water will get turned on. Then if you want to stop the water, click it. It is only push to on. This is for the like button. It will get turn off. On. The data needs to go to the cloud, and from the cloud it has to control. So it takes some time. It based on the internet. If the internet is speed, then it will be normal only. Now off. Water distribution will get turned off. Next, feed. If you click on the feed, then feeding motor will get rotates. Stop feeding, then that motor will rotate, turn off. In this way, remotely, anywhere from the world, we can control the animals, pet animals feeding.